Okay, I wanted to show you what I did with my cabinets. A lot of this food I get at the food bank, but when I can't find the food bank, the items at a food bank, I will go grocery shopping. I'll get the stuff that I desire. So what I did was, first of all, to make room in your cabinet, I put my extra items in bags. So these are my teas that I bought on sale because they were very expensive. The teas usually run like almost $7 a box. So I got two for the pretty much for the price of one. And then with my I think I've shown you this, but you use the FIFO method is what the restaurants use and what any eating organization according to the health department. So what I do is I take my 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 date. I look at my dates. First of all, when you're buying an item, make sure that the dates that they're using up the date so correctly at the store. So this is dated June. Use Best Buy June 1st, 2026. That's a 2 year. So and that's a pinot bean. So I don't have any other pinot beans. I'm going to put that there. So if I look at the dates for, let's see, these black beans, this is December 2026. And, excuse me, and this is December 28th. So I'm going to put this behind. This is the FIFO method. And I'm going to put this in front. And then, of course, I have my teas in a bag. I didn't have enough cabinet space because my cabinets, I have very little cabinet space. So I didn't understand how I got into this place, which seems to be bigger. But I realized that my cabinet space is really limited. So in order to improvise, like I took all the two boxes that I had for my oatmeal, and I put them in the box. So, and you want to make sure that the dates are on them. And I would have put the dates on the bag. I used my good old faithful marker. This is my marker. And I mark my items. So you want to make sure these are my supplements. So, and these are my teas that I have. Oh, I got to clean this. So, yeah, I'm doing some cleaning right now. And then, of course, these are my items. I do the same thing with everything that I have. Whatever I'm supposed to use first, I put it first. And then I organize it where it's easy for me to access. So like my applesauce, I like applesauce. So I have like, these are the items like I got at the food bank. Thank God for the food bank. We can get more food. And then I just pack it up there. And then, like, yeah, I'm going to eat this year. So, yeah, with my either chicken or turkey and greens and yum and biscuits and, yeah, and gravy. And then, like, I have this milk, and I got this at the food bank, and this is dated for next month. So, and I have it because if I decide to get back on the truck, I'll have some milk. Right? And my other milk I could just freeze. You can also freeze milk. Did you know you can freeze milk? So, okay. So I'm fully stocked. I have my snacks. Yeah, I have my snacks. I'm not sharing those. And then when I want a quick meal, I'll eat something like that. Because when you have sugar issues, you have to eat. So I have my teas. And then, of course, my other cabinets, and I've kind of conquered. These are my baking goods. Yeah, I have marshmallows. You never know. And I have, just in case I get company, I'm going to make Rice Krispie treats. Yeah, and that's what you do. And you do the same with your freezer, and you do the same with your spices. You do the same with everything else. Okay, so my cabinets are full for the winter. I'm happy.